So the tune is officially being installed right now in the ECU, and your boy is beyond hyped right now. I gotta wait for that to get to 8,400 RPMs. I think this is the most excited I've been in a really long time, and this is a Christmas present for myself. It's been like 2 years, and I'm finally getting the SI tuned, guys. I cannot believe this, man. I know I'm looking all fancy today. I'm all dressed up. Well, that's because your boy is gonna try to land, hopefully, an interview when I get the chance. Just woke up not too long ago. Worked 16 hours at the job. Worked from 6:30 in the morning to like 10:30 at night. You know your car's been sitting for a few days when you see that. Really happy to say that the SI is officially tuned, guys. This is on a revision 1 you're gonna see today, so it's not officially even done yet. It's been running way better than a base map. A lot of you guys are like, dude, how is it? How does it run? It blows base maps out of water. Like, there's no knocks. It's smoother shifting, smoother response. I could just go on for hours, but I'm gonna bring you guys in there with me so you can be the judge for yourself. Now that I have you guys in the car, I'm gonna explain what's going on today. Like I stated a few videos back, my key, I dropped it the other day and I ended up snapping it right off the freaking key holder right here. So I gotta go get this replaced today. They're gonna cut and reprogram my computer. That's gonna be like 60 something bucks, as well as Takata airbag. They've been sending me recall things in the mail, and I'm like, you know what? If I gotta go to Honda to get my key cut and reprogrammed, why not get the airbag done? So it's the passenger side airbag. The inflators are bad. If you don't replace them, it could be very, very dangerous, guys. Also gonna data log today so that I can send Steve one of my revision 1 completed. So I got to do a 30-minute drive, just regular normal driving, so he can tweak with anything if he has to. So it's a little, it's great, but it's a little jerky sometimes, especially upon warm up. Like if you hit a bump, it just feels like the car's hesitating when you're on the throttle. So there's just some minor kinks, but I'm not gonna lie, guys, it is amazing for an E-Tune. And it's 12 o'clock right now. I don't know if you guys could see that, the freaking sun glare, but it's 12 o'clock right now, and I have to be at Honda for 1:15. So this gives me some good time to data log over there, because it's going to take me 40 minutes to get over there. Here's the new key that they have to cut. And I have a new case as well, guys. Got this on eBay for like $6, so hopefully it does the job. For all you guys who are new, if you don't know my mod setup, I'm running the InGen short ram intake right now. I have a Skunk 2 alpha header, P2R throttle body spacer, Boomba mounts, Acuity shift bushings, and I have Flash Pro with an E-Tune. I really wish I could find the proper exhaust, because you guys know I've been through like 4 exhaust setups, but honestly, if I don't know what I want, I'm just gonna go back to stock and keep it, because it's just wasting money. You're dumping money at exhausts that you think are gonna sound good, then you end up don't liking the sound over time. A little bit about this E-Tune that Steve hooked me up with. It is an AFM right now. It's kind of a performance. It's not really 100% race yet. The race map is gonna come in with speed density for my revision 2, which he's gonna tweak the wide open throttle, and he's gonna tweak with some other things. So right now it's kind of just for like my supporting mods. Steve sent me a message pretty much saying that there are a lot of changes in this new custom base map. The fueling will not yet be ideal. I am requesting a 30+ or more normal driving log. Having one log is better than multiple short ones. Please start data logging after the car is fully warmed up, typically 10 to 14 minutes after start. Also, just a reminder to stop data logging before shutting the car off, as it can corrupt the logs if the ignition shuts off while still recording. If the car is not yet stable centered, hesitation or roughness, then an idle or light PT log is needed so we can center trims and injectors. What I'm gonna do is what he said. I'm gonna data log. I'm gonna time from here to the dealership, and it should be like 30 minutes of just regular driving. And if that's running good, maybe I'll throw in like a wide open throttle so he can have both my driving regular and my wide open throttle in one revision, so I can get revision 2 back. All right, so here it goes. It's data log. Set a timer as well, just to be on the safe side. Requested a normal drive, and I was just on the highway and I did like 3 little baby VTEC pulls. It's just so hard to drive this car normally, guys. And all of you SI owners, EM1 owners, whatever the heck Honda you have, you know it's hard when it has the VTEC in it. According to the GPS, it says I'm gonna arrive for 12:53, depending on traffic, but I'm in Hartford right now. Collins Street, a lot of you guys probably know where that is. So we're trying to get over to like Avon Mountain area. A little update for you guys. I did the 30-minute plus driving data log right now, so everything seems to be running good. And he had mentioned in the message that if everything's okay, seems to be fine for now, do a 3rd gear wide open throttle pull from 2K all the way to 84. So I'm gonna go ahead and find a straight strip to do that real quick for you guys. Surprised I could get that 3rd gear pull in, because there's just so much traffic out right now due to the holidays and Christmas time and everything. But just getting to the dealerships, Honda's right there. You guys may know where this is. It's Hoffman Honda in Simsbury, Avon area off of 44. So hopefully everything's good. Want to fix the car, get this airbag done, and yeah, so stay tuned. Pulling into Honda right now. Current status, still stuck out here at Honda right now. It's been like 3 hours. Your boy's going crazy right now, and I can see the SI in there. All right, guys, your boy is fresh out of Honda right now. As you can see, I dropped 214.98, and that is pretty much for a new battery, and I got this brand new key, all cut and reprogrammed, plus I paid pretty much for the labor and for the tax. So I honestly didn't want to buy the new battery, but they said it was recommended, so I'm going to show you guys that brand new Honda battery right here. Hopefully this thing lasts super long. Had a 3-year warranty on it, which is pretty dope. But she said everything's pretty much good with the car. I'm going to need rear brakes eventually because they're pretty shot right now, so I got to get those resurfaced. But I can run them for now. Everything should be good, so we're about to head home.
Let's get gnarly. 1, 2, 3, let's get gnarly. I ain't mean to hurt you, baby, I'm sorry.
All I have to say is wow, guys. And this is revision 1. The car feels so smooth. If you're thinking about running a base map for a long time, do not run the base map for a long time, guys. It's just gonna end up killing your car, It's gonna run like crap. You're gonna have to worry about knock issues all the time, or you fouling out spark plugs, running too rich, running too lean. There's just way too many negative factors that you have to put into play with a base map. So if you do decide to get Honda, get a base map and make it to the dyno, or get an e-tune right off the bat, guys, or else don't really mod your car, because you're gonna end up screwing something up. And I'm really surprised that out of all the base maps that I ran, the only issue that I've really had aside from knock is my misfire. I had that one scary misfire a while back when I took this thing down to Florida. So some handling stuff I want to do. I'm trying to think of what else here. As far as like other bolt-on modifications go, I'm gonna wait. If I do decide to go with injectors, because I wanted the RDX 410s for a while, I'll probably pick up those and I'll scoop like a nice, I want a 2.5-inch exhaust. That's the largest I want. I'm gonna do my tax return. Hopefully I get a decent amount back. I plan on going to New York, JDM Depot, picking up the K24A. Where I'm gonna store it, I have no idea yet, guys. I'm gonna either get a unit, a storage unit, or if any of you guys know anybody with like a 1 or 2 bay garage or a shop or whatever, hit me up. So I'm gonna stop blabbering on because I can go for hours. I haven't posted in a while. Obviously, I haven't really talked to you guys in a while. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas, a Happy Holiday, Happy New Year's if I don't talk to you. I'm sure you guys are gonna have a blast. I'm gonna have a good time. So I'll see you. I don't know when I'll see you next, but I've a lot of stuff planned in between the week and the New Year. So I'm just happy I got a new battery in this beast. I got my key fixed and I got the tune on it, so I know it's somewhat running decent. I'll see all you guys in the next video. Give me a like, drop your comments down below. What do you want to see next? Any suggestions for my car, always recommended. And subscribe if you want to see more content, what I'm doing. You know, I got the 8th gen that I've been primarily focusing on, and I know a lot of you guys have considered like buying one of these because of seeing the videos, or you're in the market. If you're thinking about buying one of these things, if you're thinking about buying an SI, I would highly recommend one, guys. Do your research, make sure it's got like lower miles, it's been maintained, and keep up with the maintenance, guys. The simple stuff. Even the Honda dealership today told me, they're like, wow, they're like, all your car really needs is like rear brakes, like, and those still have life on them. And they're like, the car's in pretty decent shape, it runs pretty good, and they were just kind of like shocked. So I was impressed hearing it too. I have another appointment, I have to go back. The little lights on the SRS light, they have to actually rip out the whole module. I don't really know how they do that, but I'm assuming it's in the passenger area somewhere over here. So they're gonna give me a loaner car. I hope they give me a Type R for a loaner, or an SI, so I can cruise around in a 10th gen SI for like 2 days. So stay tuned for that. I'll be back January 3rd. I have to bring this there to them. But yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. I love all you guys. Peace out.